Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, is Wednesday, April the 2nd. Your girl has really been doing a lot of videos today, and I am super excited about that, but your girl is tired as I don't know what, okay? This is my final video of the day, and we are gonna stuff my bonus that I received for the month of March, okay? So if you wanna stuff this, I think it's like $1,310. That's probably the most I've ever stuffed on this channel. But anyway, that's how much we're gonna be stuffing. So if you want to stuff that money with me and see what I did with my bonus, stay tuned. Okay, so boom, y'all stay tuned. And clearly that means you want to go ahead and do the cash stuffing for my bonus of $3,000 that I just got. Of the $3,000, I am going to be cash stuffing $1,310. All right, so there go the money. Let's move this game out of the way. We're not going to need it. We should have $1,310 here. I do have out my everyday binder, but I think I'm going to need my long-term savings binder because, matter of fact, yeah, let me move this to the side. I only need my long-term savings binder, actually. For this money, we're going to beef up some of these envelopes. Oh, and they gave us 50s instead of, they gave us 100s instead of 50s, so we're going to have to switch some stuff up, too. Okay, so this should be $1,310. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 5, and 10. Alright, so that's 1,310. Let's set our money on up. Y'all, I am not feeling well today. So, yeah, and it's all the same day. So if y'all hear the date of the 2nd of April a lot, that's why, because I'm batch recording right now. I was going to do an edit, but I don't feel like it, y'all. It is like 8:30 at night. Not like it is 8:30 at night. And your girl is, when I say beyond tired, I'm beyond tired. Ready to take a bath, eat, get up under my man, and go to bed. Dead part real bad. Alright, so let's do the video real quick so we can get up out of here. Alright, so let's talk about it now. This was the money that I budgeted. If you have not seen I got a bonus video. Go back and watch my let's budget the bonus with me. And y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. I did get a bonus from work, and I discussed all of that ooh la la on that particular situation, okay? Alright, so let's do the cash stuffing. Now, the only thing that we're going to do is we're going to be adding King. Last time we checked with King had $225, okay? So we already counted up $225, but 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so that's 225. We're going to be adding King another 20. So instead of 225, King will have 245, okay? 245. And we're just going to fill in these other ones from our last cash stuffing. If you watched our last cash stuffing, that's where these numbers came from. So that you're aware. I'm just writing them down so that when I look back on it, I have the totals. But we didn't add any of this. Hold on. 290, 135, about to eat. 0 nails and feet. Actually, this is, I'll move this down. My nails and feet has no money in it either, because I just got my nails done. So nails and feet has nothing. Miscellaneous, wait, lawn service has 25. Miscellaneous has 15. The 245 that we're doing for King right now. So 04, 02, plus $20. So he has $245 in his. Alright, so let's move down to car maintenance. We're not doing anything with car maintenance. That still has the 105 in there. But our emergency fund, we are going to add $200 to our emergency fund, which is our petty cash fund. Once we get it to a couple of $1,000s, then we could talk about it being an emergency fund. Really need to probably be like $5,000, then it could be a damn emergency fund. Okay, until the end of this shit is petty cash. Alright, it just, baby, come on now. Alright, so $570 should be here. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 50, 60, 65, 70. So 570, we're actually going to be adding $200 to it. So instead of 570, it's actually going to be 770. So we're almost at our first 1,000. I'm super excited about that. As soon as it gets to the 1,000, then I will put it in my high yield savings account at SoFi, and I'll just get a placeholder for the 1,000. Okay. So 200. We're adding in there. That'll give us 770. And then let's move on to our upcoming vacation. Our upcoming vacation, we did have $680. Remember, I'm on my way to Colorado. So we wanted to make that 1,000. And that will handle every single thing that I'm going to do while I'm there. The car, the gas, the hotel, the entertainment, the everything. So this should be 680, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 20, 40, 60, 86, 50, 70, 75, 80. So 680, and we're actually going to add 320 to it. That should give me 1,000. 680 plus 320 is 1,000, yeah. So 1, 2, and 3. And then a 20. So that's going to give us $1,000. And this one is officially fully funded. So my next focus, it will be home upgrades. We'll go into its place as being, you know, what's the most pressing thing. I might start back saving with my damn teeth because I want to go and get my teeth done. I told y'all 402. We're going to put 320. And this is full funded. Alright, now my new car fund, we are going to add a lot of money to the new cars. We only had 305, y'all. I'm trying to get to my first 1,000 for my new car. So we're going to add $305. This right here should be, no, I'm sorry, this should be 305. But we're going to add 745. So 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 50, 70, 93, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 305. 305, and we're going to add 745 to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $745. This right here should put us at our grand, and I am so excited about that, y'all. When I tell y'all, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. All right, now this should be a 51. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 53, 50. Hold on. So 1, 2, 53, 20, 40. What is happening? Y'all, this about to piss me off. Oh, there we go. Because your girl can't put her money in the fucking plate, in the right place, y'all. Sorry. Okay. So 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 1,000. No, that can't be right. 305. Okay, so 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Did I do something wrong? Okay, so that's actually putting me over. Okay, so I got 1,050. Okay. So instead of having 1,000, I actually put a little bit too much money in there. I must have thought I had. I don't know what I thought I had, but whatever, I'm not mad at it. But okay, so I think this is gonna be 1050, y'all. Let's add that one more time. So 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. No, where did this $50 on the side come from? Oh my God, hold on. I did something really wrong. So 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 50, 70, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,050. So that I think I miscounted my other one. So this should be 1,050. Let me count Colorado one more time. I need to make sure that I got what I was supposed to have. So 0402 we added $745. That gave us $1050 for that. But let me go back and count. Let me go back and count my Chicago trip and just make sure. Because why do I got an extra $50 on the side? What is that for? What did I do that for? 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 56, 57, 20, 40, 60, 88, 50, 70, 90, 9. Okay, so it goes here. It's supposed to be $1,000, y'all. What the f am I doing? I'm like, where did that extra $50? Y'all, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 50, and 1,000. All right, so that's 1,000. So that's okay. Yeah. Oh my God, I do not need to have this ish all mixed up. So that's the 1,000 in our Colorado fund. New course has 1050. Lastly is the home upgrades. We're gonna put that final $25 in them home upgrades, and your girl should have $435 in home upgrades. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 25, 30, 36, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 435. Girl, y'all know it's time for me to stop recording. So boom, we're gonna add $25 to that. So instead of 435, it should be 455, y'all. So 1, 2, 53, 54, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh my God, this extra $5. Y'all is driving me insane. Alright, so 435, hold on. 435 plus 25 is actually 460. Y'all know that it's time for me to go to bed. 1, 2, 53, 54, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 460, y'all. My home upgrades. Alright, y'all. So that is how that is looking. I was able to be fully fund my Colorado trip. I was trying to get to 1,000 before we left, so that is perfect. I do have 1,000. My new car fund, I actually only want to get to 1,000, and I'm at 1,050. So I am so excited about that. Like I said, I want to at least have $3,000 before I go get me a new car. So I pray to God that I can keep my car for that long. But yes, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for making it to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like. If you are new here and you enjoy the video, not only hit the like but also hit the subscribe. And I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to have you come and join the budget buddies. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye.